Welcome to my class, all of you. Today we will begin with the topic informal letter writing. Now, what is an informal letter? An informal letter is a piece of writing that is written for personal communication. You can write it to your relatives or friends, but also to anyone with whom you have a non-professional relationship. Although this doesn't exclude business partners or workers with whom you are friendly with either. How to write an informal letter? See, class, there are a few elements which are to be included in an informal letter writing. The first and the foremost being the address of the sender, or you can say the address of the writer, the one who is writing the letter. Then comes the date, opening of the letter, the content or the body of the letter, closing or ending of the letter, and then comes the signature. That means you have to sign yourself in the end. Let's talk about the text or body of content. While writing an informal letter in English, you should use personal or friendly language. However, it remains important to adjust your language to the person you are writing the letter to. A good way of assessing how you should write is to think about how you would interact with that particular person in the real life situation. Body. In the first paragraph of the letter, state the reason of your writing. In the second and the following paragraph, you describe what you have promised in the first paragraph. So there has to be an interlinking between the two paragraphs. In the final paragraph, you make some concluding remark. Here we have the very format of the letter writing to be followed. This is the format of an informal letter writing. We begin with address of the writer, then comes the date in American format, then we have the salutation which begins your letter, and then we talk about the content. The content is always divided into 3 paragraphs. The first being the introduction, which will mainly be talking about the reason of writing the letter. Then comes the second paragraph, which contains a long description linking to the reason that you have stated in the first paragraph. Then comes the third paragraph that contains the conclusion or the end part of the letter. In the end, as I told you that you have to sign yourself, so there has to be a subscription ending in the last, which will conclude as yours lovingly or affectionately. Now such subscriptions depend upon, to whom you are writing the letter, right? So as per the relationship you are addressing to, you have to select or choose these subscription endings. And then obviously comes your name, that too without your surname, because it's an informal letter writing. Now here are a few opening expressions, like students usually get confused as to how to begin their letter with. So here are a few prompts, here are a few helping phrases or sentences which will assist you in beginning your letter writing. So here are a few. How are you? How have you been? I hope you are doing fine. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are in pink of health. Hope you are hale and hearty. And here are a few reasons I'm writing, because the reason I'm writing this because I wanted to pen down this letter as I would like to, and so on. Now there has to be some ending done to an informal letter writing in English. There are a few. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I can't wait to see you soon. I can't wait to hear from you. I hope you are doing well. Give my regards to, and so on. There are plenty, available for you to write an impressive informal letter. Alright. In the end, we have signature. Here you can be pretty free in your choice of ending your letter. Here are some examples of a signature of an informal letter in English. You can have a look, such as best wishes, kind regards, best regards, lots of love, love. Here is a sample letter that you all can go through later in the next class that we'll have, and then I'll be providing you all with a few practice questions. There are 2 practice questions which you will be doing, and then in the next class that we'll be having, we will be sharing and discussing as to how you have formatted or penned down your letter. Thank you all for now. I hope you have a very nice day ahead. Thank you. Bye-bye.